Week 2 assignment. Colors would be rojo, amarillo, verde, and azul. Numbers would be uno, dos, cinco, seis, ocho, diez, trece, diecinueve, veinte y uno, veinte y cuatro, 26, 29, 29, and then 30. Saying the names with each letter would be Adam would be A, D, A, M, A. William would be W, A, L, A, L, A, M, A. Jesus would be Honte, A, S, A, O, S, A. Rudin would go Hey, Ere, Ode, A, N, A. Kershaw would go K, A, Ere, S, A, Patra, A, and then Dublo. Kobe Bryant would be K, O, Bay, A, and then it'd be Bay, Ere, which goes Ye, A, N, A, and Te. And Derek Carr would be De, A, Ere, A, K. And then Carr would be Se, A, Ere, Ere. Days of the week. Monday is Lunes. Tuesday is Martes. Wednesday is Miércoles. Thursday is Jueves. Friday is Viernes. Saturday would be Sábado, and Sunday would be Domingo. Days of the month would be Abril, 12, 2021. December would be Diciembre. Then it would go Marzo 20, 1989. Octubre and Mayo 5. Descriptions of the mail are mucho tatuaje, grande oreja, grande nariz, café ojo, and una adulto. The female would be un negro, una mujer, pelo largo, pelo negro, and un adulto. Directions would be norte, noreste, este, sureste, suroeste, oeste, norte, oeste. This one would be ocho, cale, suroeste. Descriptions would be gringo, pelo largo, un adulto, café pelo, and una barba. And hands up is manos arriba.